We are from Motorsport South Africa, which is the controlling body for motorsport in this country, and one of our functions is also to monitor land speed record attempts. It's basically 2 runs in opposite directions, and it's the 2 fastest consecutive runs which gives you the average of the record.
When designing a new tyre and pattern, there are several aspects that we have to take into consideration. Dry and wet grip, noise levels, durability. A simple example of this would be a smooth tyre or slick that will offer very good grip in the dry and very low noise levels. To get the optimum balance, we have to use an advanced computerized software program that gives us real-time measurements of all the different permutations.
Compound development work is done in the Dunlop laboratories in Durban, where the right mix of materials is required to obtain the right balance between durability and grip. It was decided to take these Dunlop SP Sport 7000Ds to Dunlop Aircraft Tyres Limited in Birmingham, England, where facilities existed to be able to test them above 400 kilometers per hour. The tyres tested so well that Dunlop decided to use these tyres to make an attempt at the world land speed record for standard production car tyres. Here was a fantastic opportunity for a South African company to make an assault on a world record. Dunlop knew they had the tyre for the job, but the right vehicle was needed. Mike Spitzer of Indianapolis in the USA, who is recognized globally as a designer-builder of land speed record vehicles, was engaged to build a car around the Dunlop SP Sport 7000D.
This is Mike Spitzer, and we built the chassis at our shop. It's an all-tube frame chromoly car. It's got a replica Corvette roadster body on it, carbon fiber fiberglass. I think Dunlop's put a pretty good tyre together, but it's a real tough scenario because it's got a tread on it, and of course high-speed runs are supposed to be made with a slick tyre, so they're trying to accomplish something with a treaded tyre.
What sets a land speed record car apart from any other race car is the rear suspension. It's all about traction. You can see we've got AFCO adjustable shocks for bump and rebound, but the real trick part about this whole suspension is the 4 links. It's called the 4-link suspension because basically what happens is that the more power you put down, the more traction you get through the suspension, pushing more pressure into the tyre. Before I ran the car in the States, I didn't have a mental picture of what to expect at all. So visualization and mental preparation since that day has been intense. Essentially, we're going to go for the speed run straight out. When we get to Hoedspruit, that's when we want to do the job.
Okay guys, that was a 9.102, which translates to 395.517 kilometers per hour. That's 395.517.
Our second last run, we tracked quite a bit to the right hand side, and that was purely because of the wind angle, and it got kind of hectic near the end. I must admit, we were running out of road pretty fast. The vibration really threw me off a little bit. My vision was blurred. We did a 396 average speed, and that was like over 400 near the end.
The average is 388.538. That is 388.538 kilometers per hour. Well done guys, you have a new South African record.
Yeah, I'm absolutely I think relieved more than happy at this stage. Everybody in this whole project has just put so much time and effort into it. The guys from Dunlop have developed the tyre, the guys that built the car in the States, and just the whole team has just been awesome. And it's taken us nearly a year to get to this point. And for guys like Dunlop to go and build a production tyre to run at these speeds and then achieve a record is just absolutely awesome.